Hi everyone. Welcome back. I told you already, but I'm gonna tell you again. I went to the bookstore with my son for story time and I was bad. Very bad. I got magazines. I had told myself no more crafting magazines until you use the other ones. Yeah, I just couldn't resist some of them. I was just like, oh, I really want to have this one. And look at this little bear and bunny. Isn't that cute? Let's go ahead and get into it. This is Make Cards Today, August 2019, issue 20. The strange and funny thing about these is you really can't see what you're getting, which I kind of cringe at a little bit, and then I also like the mystique and mystery because you know I like a good grab bag. But it kind of shows you what you're going to be getting. Each collection includes all of this stuff right here, which is fun. So we're going to go, I've switched up the technique a little bit. We're going to look at the stamps first. You are Tiki-rific, a little palm tree, a tiki, or a mask, some flowers, really cool. This bird, a drink, pineapple, yummy. These little bear and bunny having tea, having an amazing day. This bear having a picnic, aloha. Another bear set. These bear and bunny on a swing, and this little bear reading a chair. It looks like a campsite. And then we get 2 embossing folders, 2 strips, some drinks, and then pineapples. You also get, I'm not going to open it up, but you also get some card bases and some envelopes for that. And then you get these pictures right here. So they're having a picnic, and I believe Tracy sent me something like this before. So if I am understanding this correctly, you cut all these out and then you kind of layer them on top of each other to create like a layer effect of cards. So you cut this out, and so the bunnies will be here, the little giraffe's head is there, and then this bear getting these berries is right there. Reminds me of my son, he loves blueberries. A koala, so cute. I think this is a koala bear. Yep, and then a regular bear, a giraffe, and then on here you have them doing more of the same thing, having fun, enjoying each other. You just cut all these little pieces and layer them on top of each other. And Adam Pescott, I guess he created this, or he's the editor, I don't know. Another thing right here, so very cool. And I think, I want to say you get 2 sets of them. 2 sets, so you can make 2 cards, I guess. And then these are some cut aparts that you could use. I don't understand some of these little tiny things. I would never fussy cut all of those things out, ever. Scan and cut it out, maybe, but fussy cut, no way, Jose. And then you have your papers right here. And they are single-sided, so you can, you can make 4 cards out of this if you were using regular size A2 paper. Cut these out. The paper is thin. It's magazine paper, so you probably could scan this up or find if they have it printable and print it out on harder cardstock on thicker paper. And they have this, but if it's layering and you want to use it up, that's good, no problem. Yep, I think that was the person, Adam Pescott made this, I guess, because this says Jennifer Ellery. She did these. Yep. Very cool. They kind of did them hand in hand, tied together some, so that's cool. Little tags, things like that. And the tags you don't have to always put on things. You can put this on a card, cut this out and just stamp, put a little brag right there on a card. This paper, even though it's the same kind of quality, it feels a little bit different, like that with shiny paper. This is like matte. I love this right here, and this lace is so cool. Very pretty. This reminds me of Dawn H's project she made for the Christmas in July collaboration, where she had the hearts, the rustic hearts. Very pretty. More flowers and some horseshoes for good luck. Have you ever held a horseshoe in your hand? It's pretty heavy. If you hit someone in the head with that, or hit anyone or dropped it on your toe, you're gonna need a lot of luck. More pictures. You can fussy cut if you want, or cut them out. I really like these shapes. I need to find some tags and just go crazy. Like I like this tag. It's like a banner flag tag. This is cute, and I think you just cut these pieces out and put them on other things, like to make your teacups. And then we have more paper right here. So this paper definitely feels a little bit different than this paper, even though it's the same texture. It feels the same. I'm quite sure it's the same texture because they're on the same page, like they're cousins, right? But this paper is shiny. I'm not sure if you can tell. This is shiny, where this is kind of like a matte, but they're on the same connector. You know, this is one side and that's the other side. These are cute, like really plain papers. And then here we have more cut apart. You can cut these out, and this is some safari stuff going on over here. I like pineapple flavored drinks. Yummy. Non-alcoholic, but I like them. I also like non-alcoholic pina colada. Very tasty. I don't know, it's something about it just tastes cool. So here's the other part. You know, you can cut all these pieces out and layer them on top. I would probably not cut these out, just because you know, once you use them, they're all gone. So I don't know if in the magazine it shows you how you can get more, but I would love to see that. And then here is the magazine. It says you get 30 euro worth of things. So it's what, $60, 60 something for 50 something, depending on how high the dollar is at that time. So let's go ahead and look inside. Darling decoupage, which is really cool. Fabulous, a fab embossing, cards for him. Have an amazing day. I like this. I wish this stamp was a little bit bigger, so you can stamp them out and make them a little bit bigger if you really want to. This is cool. Wonderful wedding. That is pretty. If you were into making things like that. I know a lot of people do commission pieces. I was actually commissioned last night to make some wreaths, so you'll be seeing that hopefully whenever I get the rest of the details. This is really cool. It's a 14-piece stamp set. We already got that. 6 cards and envelopes, decoupage papers, and I'm hoping we can go online and print out more of those, because that would be cool. Meet the illustrators, Jenny and Adam. They drew all this stuff. Really cool. Love it. So let's see, how to stamping, and then it shows you all these creations. We would definitely be making some of these. I like this one a lot, Aloha, so we'll do that. And I have some, of course, tropical paper already, so we won't be cutting into the paper that they've given us. This is cool. And you see it's kind of like a sketch card. They have 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 5 different elements on there. Very cool to use. Your Tiki-rific. Very fun things. How to decoupage, and it tells you how to decoupage. So, yep, you see how it has this, like, I don't want to cut this up. Oh. And it tells you how to layer all the pieces, which is fun. I am going to see if we can't find that and see if they don't have it online. And if they have it online, I'll come back when I make this and share with you how to do this, because I love this. I would want to make more than 2 cards. So yeah. And then we have this, like this 10 ideas with happily ever after. This is in the kit as well, so that's really good to be able to use. And it shows you how to make different pieces. So those tags, you can make a tag on top of a tag, which is cool. So even if you don't have the stamps, even if you don't have this magazine, when I come and revisit it, if you see anything that you want me to go in more detail, like you got the idea and you really want to try it out, let me know, and I will definitely slow down some and do a little bit better viewing. Like this right here, I like this a lot. It's like a little bag, a wedding bag, which is really cool. And you don't have to make a wedding bag. You can make treat bags for parties and things like that with the same exact information. So that's something to keep in mind. Okay, how to, and then they have embossing, and you see how there's like a little belly band embossing. Then they have pineapple party, 10 ideas, boys, toys. Very cool. I like that most of this magazine so far is dedicated to the kit. I love that. And they gave you the entire kit, so you don't have to worry about it. The only thing I would say is I'm not going to fussy cut this out like I told you before. I'm not going to fussy cut all that stuff out. That's just me. You are more than welcome to fussy cut it out. I will probably not use that if I didn't have a scanning cut to use. I know I don't really like to go over the advertisement, but look at this. I love how whoever did this colored this up. This is so pretty. Look at it. Very, very beautiful. Very beautiful coloring. I love that. I love like vivid, bright images. The Z Fold, and we did Z Fold in our Going Card Crazy collaboration, but here it is again. So if you're going to send your son to someone, or daughter to a little boy's birthday party, or maybe someone that likes cars and things like that, that would be very cool to do. And it shows you how to make the card itself, which is very nice. Always a good thing to have exact directions and information. How to stamp it, and it shows you these stamp sets. I really wish that these little stamps were a little bit bigger, just a teensy weensy bit, but they're showcasing the papers as well, which is a good idea. When we do this one, because I do plan on doing one of these, when we do this one, I will be using my own papers because I have some that I think would be cute on there, and I'm going to be using the lace and ribbon that I got from Sarah to make some bows. So we'll be doing a lot of pinks and purples, and the black I'm going to use some for Halloween things. So here is make 3 wedding things. I saw this and I was like, this is really cool, because I looked in it, but I really like this little wedding dress setup. This is cool too. So here are the instructions on how you do it all. Very cool. Let's see. So here's the congratulations, the dress. I believe they have the templates in the back. I'm not sure. I can't remember. I did look at this while I was at the doctor's office last week. 10 ideas with Tiki Party. And I like to, even if I show you ahead of time, I like for you to see what's out there, because I know some people don't always go to the store. I'm one of those people. So I do watch haul videos. So when people do a haul, I'm like, oh, okay, I can go and do this now. I can go and see if they have it. But sometimes my haul videos that I make are like a week late. Okay, so what you need, build up a stash of ribbon and twine to decorate your cards. Yes, a lot of people have stash and a stash of ribbon and twine. This is cool. I think they just covered a bag up, so you can do that very easy. Go to the Dollar Tree, get the bags that have like 6 bags on there for $1, and cover that up and make something. Look at this. This is cute. I love this. Very cute. I think because it's purple, I like that. And this is cool too. You have dollies you want to use up. It doesn't have to be a heart-shaped dolly. It can be any kind of dolly. So this is really cool. You have a lot of stuff going on. This is a heavy card, so your card base would have to be pretty sturdy. Unless all these papers are really thin. You have 1, 2, 3, 4 pieces of paper at least. And then you have a dolly. You have this, which looks like it could be 1 or 2 pieces maybe. And then you have this. Then you have that. So it's a lot going on, but it's really cute. You don't have to use those pieces. You can use a circle dolly. If you have that heart shape, you can do that. And here are the templates. You can go online probably and print them out how you need to. Now this magazine I actually like a lot, because everything in this magazine besides the advertisement was dedicated to what you got in the kit. Okay, so I think I want to say whenever they come in the bumper kits, the bumper crop kits, that is how they are. I can't be for certain, but I think when they sell them like this right here in these where you can't see what's in there, everything in the kit is in the magazine. I want to say thank you all for watching. If you saw anything that you want me to go over in explicit detail with, I don't have a problem with doing that. Just leave a comment in the comment section, or you can send me an email at lefthandedcrafter@yahoo.com, and I will be happy to get on it. Thank you all for watching. Until next time, Have a great day and happy crafting.